ki khubor ka Batisi TV lawan ra shapi da ka Orange Nissan Loom so pho near Fire Brigade Shillong.
Admissions are open at BDW International School. Enroll now.
Ke Sorkar jilla hagasngi balang jog khat khandai trik ubnai kala lingkon arajar arpoar kala menjur ya ke National Highway Act na ke benta bandup shim jaka na kitrai khando khnang banyo Pynheh ye ki Surok ba. Menteri Rangba ke jilla Konrad Konggal Sangma hakajing ye kren bat kilat pathai khubor uliyatho kani ke National Highway Act kan trekam na ke benta ka jingshna ye ki Surok ba ban na ke benta ka jingshim jaka na kitrai khando banyo Pynheh ya ki Surok ba.
We had today passed the adoption of the NH Act for land acquisition for construction of National Highway. So there's a Land Acquisition Act, and now the NH Act will be applicable, which will be applicable only for National Highway projects only. So for other acquisitions, the normal Land Acquisition Act will be applicable. And this is being done throughout the country by most state governments, and the central government also has urged government of Meghalaya to approve this. With the approval of the land acquisition to be done under the NH Act, we will be reducing the time for land acquisition from 3 years to down to 1/3, so maybe max of 1 year. So it's a huge advantage, and it obviously will ensure that the projects are completed much faster.